This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 23 MapReduce Tutorial. The video kicks off by revisiting the MapReduce tutorial, discussing problem decomposition and reviewing key concepts like the MapReduce programming model architecture and workflow for parallel processing of big data. It then delves into the intricacies of each DFS block size, set at 64 MB with 3 replicas for fault tolerance, and demonstrates how to calculate the number of blocks required for a given file size, essential for budgeting storage needs for large datasets. Moving on, the video illustrates the power of MapReduce through examples, including calculating the average of integers and average salary by gender, highlighting how mappers handle partial computations and reducers consolidate results. The examples showcase the parallel processing capabilities of MapReduce, with the average salary by gender problem demonstrating the use of a dictionary data structure to store gender as the key and salary list as the value. Finally, the video underscores the key takeaways, emphasizing MapReduce's ability to enable fault-tolerant, large-scale computations, the importance of each DFS block sizing for storage planning, and the illustration of the MapReduce workflow mechanics through the averaging examples. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.